Okay, so once again, good afternoon to everyone. Let's start the topic for the today. For this experiment, what we are going to do that you don't require any type of the software or not any kind of the any third party, any software or any particular system. Just you have the access of internet and you can browse some of the stuff at the end of this particular ppt, and you just need to write the answer of that particular question, and that's it. That's for the entire presentation and for this lecture left for the today. Okay, so this is the experiment which is on introduction to Cisco packet tracer and networking topology. Okay, so shall we start? Can anybody give me confirmation? May I start? Is that okay? Is my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. Yes. So what you need to do that first I will explain this stuff like why Cisco packet tracer is going to be important for us. What is kind of the stuff that we can do from that one? What are the advantages of this particular software in your upcoming semester also? And those who have already opted for as a packet tracer as a rubric on demand, they will get a basic idea about that, how it is going to be possible to create a structure and all type of this stuff. Okay, there are some examples also I have that I'm going to demonstrate you, and just after that there are a list of questionnaires are there, list of kind of the question answer are there that you need to do in next 1 hour just after the completion of this my kind of the lecture. Okay, in this particular lab. Yes. So what is a Cisco packet tracer? So first I will give the basic intro about that. What is Cisco packet tracer and what are the possibilities with that one? Okay. So the Cisco packet tracer is a comprehensive network technology to teach it for teaching and learning software developed by the Cisco Network Academy. Okay. So Cisco packet tracer, which was developed by the Cisco Network Academy, and it offers a unique combination of realistic simulation and visualization experience for complex assessment and the activity on networks. Like there are always such a question is going to be there, like whatever the network that we are going to form, okay, whether those network is going to be work as per our requirement or as per our setup or as per our thought process. So before going to set up the hardware base, or we can say in real time network, if we can do the practice of creating such network in some platform which will give us the idea that what type of the problem is occurs or whether those network is going to be run perfectly or not, which type of the problem is going to be happen, or what are the scenario in traffic, how the IP address is going to be, and if such type of the simulation based or virtual kind of the network setup based environment we have, which is very much beneficial for the particular engineer who is working on the networking domain. Okay, so the Cisco packet tracer which will provide such type of the facility to create your network virtually before implementing into the real world. Okay, now if you want to do this task, like those who voluntarily want to do this task, so to create a network and all type of this stuff, this is a link for that, and this link I have already provided in a term rubric on demand presentation ppt. Okay, in that ppt also that link and registration where you can do your registration to work with the Cisco packet tracer software. Like Cisco packet tracer is a freeware software, but to do that you need to first register yourself in the Cisco Network Academy. Once you will register yourself, they will give you the access to work on the Cisco packet tracer. So that process you need to follow. So this is a simple, like you need to install and then you need to register yourself in the Cisco kind of the website. Now, what is a packet tracer based learning? What we are going to learn and how it is going to be useful? So we can say it's an innovative features that help students and teachers to collaborate, solve problems, learn the concept in engaging in dynamic social environment. Like whatever the complex problem we have, okay, what are that complex problem? How to make the solution for such complex problem? How collaboratively we can work with students and faculty? How we can create a different type of the concept? What we can learn from that? What are the scenarios for the complex network? do that, this packet tracer is having such type of the features to accommodate this all the requirement. It will also support the Cisco packet tracer and simulating based learning, which will also having a supportive lectures are there. There are training programs also going to be created by the Cisco Network Academy. By registering to that particular software, or by registering to that particular website, you can attend those lectures, those free webinars to sharpen your knowledge in a Cisco packet tracer. Okay, so there is a support lectures, there is a group individual labs you can create, there are homework, exam, games, collaboration, competition. There are a lots of activity going to be happen in this particular network academy to sharpen your networking skills. It also allows the instructor to easily teach and demonstrate the complex technical concept and the network system design, as we have said. Will also give the platform to kind of the teach complex technical problems with the easy software manner. It also helps the students to develop the important 21st century skill. Like right now, we all are connected with the network, with the internet. So how those network form, which is like creating a network and to give a particular access at particular time, which is our primary requirement in today's scenario. So how that particular stuff which is going to be happen. So to sharpen that skill, that students will get benefited through the Cisco packet tracer. Now, what are the benefits of the students that we have for the simulation based learning? Like what students can get by the such type of the software? So student who explore the experiment using packet tracer development, that intellectual curiosity and critical thinking skills. So students can improvise their intellectual curiosity and critical thinking skill on any type of the network. There are a level of the courses are also there, and certification program is there, CCNA, okay, such type of the levels are there. Through that level, you can sharpen your skill in the complex network problems. Okay, packet tracers visually reach simulation environment to facilitate comprehension of complex technology concept. Like this simulation based networking, which will offer a very rich type of the simulation environment. Like you can connect your PC, laptop, wireless device, IP telephone, network, router, DHCP server, whatever the stuff that you are named. Okay, that all type of the stuff that you can connect, and you can and that you can identify, like whether it is working on this network or not. So what I need to do, how I can correct the connection, how I can correct the network terminology, all type of this devices are available in this simulation environment. Student can troubleshoot the network and problem solving skill. They can also improve the problem solving skills by the troubleshooting of the network. Like it will also develop innovation and creativity skill by design a virtual network using a packet tracer. So whatever the virtual network that you are thinking, like I have created a virtual network from my system, but how it is going to be actually happen in whenever that virtual network is going to be created from one system, what is the background hardware that we require? So that type of stuff you can listen over there, and you can make your skill more innovative, and you can develop it in more in creative manner also. So students who explore the concept at their own pace, packet tracer, safe virtual environment, get confidence in the decision making skill and ability. So before going to any hardware or before going to any field, if you have the confidence, like if you have the confidence like that this system going to be connected like this one, so by having such type of the confidence, you can go to the actual kind of the pitch, or you can go to actual kind of the site with your problem solving and your creativity skill, and you can create a better network. You can troubleshoot those networks. These are the majority advantages of the students, which is benefited by the simulation based learning. Now, what are the stuff we have? Like in a Cisco packet tracer, we have simulate iOS command are there. So command based interface also it's provided by the Cisco packet tracer. Like visualize the network traffic. You can also visualize that what type of the traffic is going to be, like how your network behave on such type of the traffic, that you can visualize also by creating a different type of the traffic. Actually, you can collaborate with the multiple users also. You can collaborate with the three different type of the stuff, and combinedly you can create one network also. So this collaborative multi-user activity also provided by the Cisco packet tracer. environment. Now to give a flavor, like what is the Cisco packet tracer, how we are going to connect the network. So what we have decided that today we are going to do the initial task, like we are going to create a topology, which is a basic fundamental, like how some computers is connected with one particular device and how that packet is going to be transmitted. Okay, so that type of the exercise that we are going to do, and obviously this Cisco packet tracer is come as a in a higher semester also, when you are having a computer network subject in which your majority of the experiment based on the Cisco packet tracer. So you will definitely get a complex idea, complex network creation in that semester. But over here, basic fundamental of that, how network topology is going to be created. So before going to that network topology, we can say like that there are several type of the topology which is possible. First one, which is going to be point to point. We can say there is a one PC connected to the another PC. Then we can say we are having we can say that's a bus topology. So there is a common link we have, and through that common link, several PCs going to be connected. Such type of the ring topology, like all the PCs are connected in the ring to each and every one. Uh, then we can say we are having a star topology also. Okay, so star topology also having one intermediate connecting device, and from that intermediate connecting device, you can connect the different printers. Okay, laptop or PC with that particular device. Okay, that device is going to be might be a wired or wireless. That it's depend upon the behavior and how the other system can connect with them. So such type of the topology considered the star topology. While we are having a tree topology, so we can say from one particular link there are intermediate connecting devices are there, and with that device there are another PC in tree. Like there is a big tree, then there is a branches are there, likewise there is a tree topology is going to be created. As well as we are having a stuff like which is a mesh topology. Mesh topology, we can say each and every computer is connected with each and every one. Okay, so we don't require an intermediate device, but each and every computer is connected with each another. That we can say is a mesh topology. Another that 7, which is a hybrid topology. So each like there are different topologies are there. Ring are there, star are there, bus are there, but they are connecting with each other. So that we can say hybrid topology, which is a combination of these several topology we have. Is that okay? Any doubt in this particular stuff? किसी को doubt है भाई? कोई question? Any doubt? Any?
No,
Okay.
sir.
So now we will see that first we will see the video which is between a hub and switch. Okay. So you need to see this video, and you need to note down the point also, which is going to be mentioned in this particular stuff. Why? Because there are upcoming questions and the exercise is there which is depend on this such type of the topology or in such type of the video. Okay, so let me play this video over here so you can get the idea what is hub and what is switch. So I'm going to fast forward this also. So is this screen visible to everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Welcome back to my channel. I Natya. Today we will be doing another practical which shows the difference between hub and switch. In this practical, we will see how the hub is a different practical.
So it's going to give you the difference between hub and switch. You need to see this and you need to out, and at the end I will ask the question. Okay, what is difference?
Different devices into start of it. Let's start with the working of a hub. First of all, we will go to the devices in which these are the routers, then this is the hub, switches and hub. Click on the hub, select one, generic hub, and click it on the vertical area. So my hub is now at my vertical area. Now we are going to connect some of the PCs with this hub. Simply go to the devices, press Control, then click on Generate PC and we will getting some of the PCs in start over. Next, the wireless connection because hub and PC are different devices. We will getting them with the help of one of the straight cable. Now go to C. So select one of the port. We have selected path Ethernet port. Go to hub.
So what it will say is that you can choose the different connection also, different end devices also, like there is a router, hub, switches are there. So over here they have, he has taken first the hub and now he is going to make a connection, like what is a from PC to hub connection is going to be there, okay. It's the manual connection we have. You can see there is directly green is up here over here.
And automatically connection type from this option.
You can choose this automatic button, like it's automatically detect that which cable is going to be suitable. You need not to select the individual mode, okay.
Click on PC2, click on PC3, PC4, PC5, now all these green signals shows that they are physically connected to each other. Now we are going to give IP addresses to all the PCs. Go to PC0, click on it, go to desktop, IP address. So I will be assigning it IP address 192.168.10.100, which is a class C IP address. Go to PC1, desktop, IP configuration, put here 101.
So what they have done, they have select on one PC. After that, he has gone to desktop and over their IP address. That IP address is required. Why? Because without assigning the IP address, that you don't have any identity without the IP address of any digital device. You need to give the IP address to individual PC, and then it is available. It's possible to send the message from that device to other. Okay. So IP registration is going to be first over here. So there is going to give the IP address over here. And he's going to another PC also. Likewise, that all the PC get the IP address. Now he is ready with the IP address. Now let's see what happened. Okay.
It is making it start version. Now we will go to the simulation mode.
Now he is changing from real time to simulation mode.
Simulation mode. We will be selecting the protocols to be. So we will show all of it done. We clear all the protocols, go to edit filter and select ICMP protocol. Now we will be able to look into the working of the hub. Take just like the previous experiments, take one of the packet. We're taking one of the packet. Click on the packet. Go to PC0. Click on PC1.
Now what he has do, he has choose the message to send it over here, and to choose this particular message from here, he is just sending. He has tried to send the message from PC0 to PC1. Now see what happened.
See how this packet is moving.
Now how it is moving, he is showing over here by just capture and forward button.
Forward. So your packet starts from PC0. The packet is ready.
Now packet coming to the hub.
So PC0 packet goes to hub. Then from hub.
Then its hub, it will go to all the PC.
The copy of the packet goes to all of the PCs.
Like right now we need to send to PC02.
IP address of the PCs. So packet is destined to all the PCs, and the only PC, it was PC1, it has accepted the packet, but rest of the PCs have rejected the packet.
So what he's saying, like that hub don't have any knowledge about the IP address, like which PC having a which IP address. So what hub will do, whatever the packet reach to them, it will send to all the connected network. Okay, and if that packet is meant for that particular PC, then that PC will accept, otherwise it will reject. Likewise, that only PC1 is accepting right now, no cross mark here, but rest of the place there is a cross mark. It means that packet is going to be rejected over there. Okay, now see what happened when it will give a acknowledgement.
Then press again capture and forward.
So now packet come back from PC1 to hub, and again it will forward it to everywhere.
Back to the hub. Again, when I press capture and forward from hub,
Yeah, so it's
again because
given to everyone.
Learning device,
And
again all the packet is sent to all.
so you can see, like this packet is meant for acknowledgement of PC0. So it will only showing the right button, rest of the PC will show the cross button, because this packet is meant for this one, and rest of the PC will reject this packet. So hub is nothing but one type of the flooding device. Whatever the message come to the hub, it will just flood it out. वो सबको वो पैकेट ट्रांसफर कर देगा, जिसका है वो रखे, नहीं है वो डिस्कार्ड कर दे. ठीक है. Likewise, this process is going to be happen in the hub.
All the PCs, so only PC0 has accepted the packet. And
let me just fast forward this little bit. He is going to do the same task with the other PC also. PC5 to PC2 now. PC5 to PC2, and same stuff is going to be happening.
we will see.
Now he is showing with the switch. Okay.
Press control. Click on one of the generic computers.
So now he is entering the different computers over here. And as per the similar process, now he is going to connect with the other kind of the connection with the switch. So if you move a little bit forward, now you can see over here it's not a green button directly. Have you observed? In a hub, it is directly considered as a green button, but over here it's not a green button, it's an orange button. આવાજ આવે છે મારો? કોઈ રિપ્લાય આપતું નથી. હેલો. So in a switch, what happened? It's an orange button, not directly green button. It means connection is not established till now. Okay, it will take some time to get it a green. So see what happened. After some time, it's going to become a green.
Control and automatic installation type. So it will be creating your cables automatically.
Yes, now you can see this is a green over here. One by one, it is going to become a green. Okay. So now this person will assign the IP address to them, and then after packet transmission is going to be started. Yes, now second become a green. So actually switch is registering like which type of the connection is available with me. They have the particular table is there which is having a information like which PC connected with the which link. Okay, and due to this process, let's see what going to be happen when we are sending a packet. Now he is going to assign the IP address, just going to inside to that particular PCs. Okay, let's see. Let's go to PC, then desktop. Now he's assigning the IP address to everyone. This is the star topology. Now let's see. Now what is going to happen? He's sending the message from PC6 to PC9. Okay. Now see what's going to be happen when it is capture and forward. Packet will start traveling from PC6. It will reach to switch. And after the switch, what's going to be happen? See, it's only going to PC9. So switch don't going to make a broadcasting of the packet. It's not going to be flood. It's only and only send the packet to respective location only. जहाँ पे उसको भेजना है जो पैकेट जिसके लिए बना है उसी को भेजेगा. Why and why this is going to be happen? because switch know the IP address, like which IP address associate with which connection. This knowledge is have with the switch. That's why this is going to be happen. And in the forward scenario also, when it will come back, again it will reach to the PC6 only, not going to forward to everywhere.
Now we have 6 only because, so let's see, PC7. Now if I press substitute, acknowledgement sent back to
7 to 10. So 7 to 10 it's okay. And again in the feedback also, it will came from
PC1, PC5. So again,
yeah. So this is the overall stuff about switch and hub. How switch is going to be work, how hub is going to be work. Is it okay? Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we are going to do that I'm going to give you this sample video to everyone. Let me just kind of paste this video in your chat box. So this is the first video about the tree topology. Second video about the bus topology. Third video which is about the star topologies. This is a whole video regarding the topologies, and the video that we have seen about the switch and hub. Okay, so that's all video. I have pasted the link of the YouTube in your chat box. Now let me will go with the task that you want to do. Okay, now what you need to do, there are a simple, and you have 1.5 hours to do that. And periodically after 15 or 20 minutes I will ask to show you that or ask to take you the answer that what are the stuff that you have written. So you need to do this task in your pen and paper as per the previous task we have done. आपको ये पेन और पेपर लेना है, उसमें सब टास्क लिखने हैं, हर एक पेज पे आपका एनरोलमेंट नंबर और नेम होना चाहिए. At the end of the all the exercise you need to take a snapshot of that one, screenshot scan करना है, पीडीएफ बनाना है और कैनवास में अपलोड करना है. ठीक है, डेडलाइन उधर दी हुई है, अगर नहीं मिलता है तो मुझे बताइएगा. ठीक है. What is the first task? First listen carefully. What are the stuff that you need to do in the all the tasks? So there is a 6 task only to do in this entire lab, and in this lab only what I required, you need to complete a task 4 at least. 4 task तक तो करना ही है सबको, क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत सारा टाइम है. Now what you need to do in a task 1, in task 1 simple, you need to find out what are the different type of the topology that you have studied. So मैंने अभी बताई वो topology आपको draw करनी है अपनी पेन और पेपर लेके बुक में. Draw the different type of the topology. After the task 2, what you need to do, you need to differentiate a switch, hub and router. Okay, you need to find out the difference between switch, hub and router with proper figures. Like switch कैसा होता है, router and figure. Also you need to write down a functionality and operation of the difference among them in terms of Cisco packet tracer. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर आप switch connect करते हो, hub connect करते हो, router connect करते हो, तो इन तीनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? पहले तो बेसिक डिफरेंस, फंडामेंटल डिफरेंस. और जब ये तीनों डिवाइस आप Cisco पैकेट ट्रेसर में लेते हो तो ये तीनों के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? ओके, what are the functionality which is going to be offered by the switch, hub and router? You need to search it from the Cisco packet tracer or you need to search it from the web. What are the difference between them, and you need to write it in your pen and paper. Task 3, you need to identify the what type of the switch and router available in Cisco packet tracer. आप Cisco पैकेट ट्रेसर का कोई भी मैन्युअल है वो उठाइए या नेट में सर्च कीजिए कि कौन कौन से टाइप की स्विच और राउटर अवेलेबल है और उन सब में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ द स्विच, देयर आर मेनी टाइप ऑफ द स्विच. सो सबके बीच में डिफरेंस क्या है और वो राउटर Cisco पैकेट ट्रेसर में अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए. सो जो भी Cisco पैकेट ट्रेसर में स्विच और राउटर अवेलेबल है वो कौन कौन से है और उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है, ये आपको आइडेंटिफाई करके लिखना है. What are the steps involved in configuration of the router? अगर आपको राउटर सेटअप करना है, स्विच और हब तो हमने देख लिया कैसे सेटअप होता है. अगर आपको राउटर सेटअप करना है तो कौन कौन से स्टेप फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे. ओके, सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू सी दिस वीडियो. ओके, ये वीडियो आपको देखना है और वो वीडियो में जाके आपको उसका स्टेप नोट डाउन करना है और बाद में लिखना है कि व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स दैट इज इन्वॉल्व टू कॉन्फ़िगर अ राउटर. Likewise, what is the difference between IP address which is IPv4 and IPv6? ओके जब भी हम आईपी एड्रेस सेट करते हैं हमारे पीसी में तो दो ऑप्शन होते हैं IPv4 एंड IPv6 व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम एंड लास्ट टास्क व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व इन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ DHCP सर्वर आप जैसे यहाँ पे राउटर का वीडियो देखा और पता चला दिस इज अ स्टेप रिक्वायर्ड इन राउटर सेटअप similarly to set up a DHCP server what are the steps involved for that this video link is available over here okay अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ like this is a task which is I am going to copy and paste in your chat box also as well as this rest of the task and I'm also going to make available in your chat box you can see your chat box and likewise you need to write down the answer for that so all the exercise which is mentioned over here as well as this PPT is also going to be available over here and let me see in the canvas is it available or not if it is not available then I will upload the PPT over there also so you can access video link and tasks from that also let me go to the assignment and there is a exercise on a Cisco packet tracer yeah is this PPT available or not like doc file is available so if you can just see this doc file you can see that entire task that I have written which is already available in that particular document okay this is all stuff is available in the document you can refer this document and you can do this exercise okay समझ में आया सबको क्या करना है one by one give me confirmation Ayush Bansi Darshan Dhruvil Hardik hello open your mic and give me a feedback Ayush Bansi Dhruvil Hardik Jay Mansi Nancy Riddhi Ben Sanjay Syam Suryaballi Thakur Utsav
Yes, sir.
is it okay what you need to do
Yes, sir.
डिफिकल्टी आए तो मेरे को पूछे मैं यहीं पे हूँ बट स्टार्ट राइटिंग
Yes,
दिस
sir.
यस बोलिए क्या डिफिकल्टी बोलिए
No difficulty.
no difficulty good one if you have difficulty then tell me okay I am over here but this PPT already also that's visible over here you need to start doing this exercise in just next 15 minutes I require you will complete task 1 टास्क 1 कंप्लीट करके टास्क 2 शुरू कर देना चाहिए आपको मैं सबका वीडियो ओपन करवा के वो फोटो दिखाने को बोलूंगा कि आप अपना वीडियो ओपन करके दिखाइए कितना टास्क आपका कंप्लीट हुआ इज दैट ओके okay start doing that quickly in 15 minutes I will ask about that what is the progress about this all stuff start doing everyone like meanwhile also what I will do I will just play this video for tree topology and bus topology so you can get the idea that what are the stuff is going to be happen okay so you just see the video I am in a muted position but you can refer those particular stuff also
Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create tree topology in Cisco packet tracer. So let's begin. First of all, we need some PCs. So click on network devices, in devices, and drag and drop PC, PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, PC5, and PC6. Okay, let's drag and drop switches. So drag and drop PT switch, initially PC0, switch 0.
so tree is going to be created by the switch okay so you require intermediate connection or intermediate device to create the switch so he's just placing a switch with each and every PC and then he's going to connect or he's going to form a tree topology
And the last one, switch 6. So we have three switches into the PCs as we are going to connect them with the PCs. So select automatically choose connection type and let's make the connection between PC0 and switch 0, then between PC1 and switch 1, PC2 and switch 2, PC3 and switch 3, PC4, switch 4, PC5 and switch 5, and the connection between PC6 and switch 6. Now let's connect the switches. Make the connection between switch 0 and switch 1, switch 0 and switch 2, switch 1 and switch 3, switch 1 and switch 4, switch 2 and switch 5, the last one between switch 4 and switch 6. So we have done with the connection. Now let's check our connection. Before checking, we will set the IP addresses. We click on PC0, desktop IP configuration, and let's set the IP address as 192.168.1.1.
Now he is assigning the IP address to individual desktop.
192.168.2.1. So the default gateway is going to remain same for all the PCs. This is the IP address and the default gateway of PC 0. Now click on PC1, desktop, IP configuration, and let's set the IP address as 192.168.1.2. The default gateway is same, 192.168.2.1. Close it. So this is the IP address and the default gateway of PC1.
मेरे पैरालिसिस ने कभी मेरी कैपेबिलिटी
Just sorry for this advertisement in between.
Click on PC2 to set the IP address, desktop IP configuration, and let's set the IP address as 192.168.1.3. The default gateway is 192.168.2.1. Close it. So this is the IP address and the default gateway of PC. Now let's set the IP address of PC3. So click on PC3, go to desktop IP configuration, and let's set the IP address as 192.168.1.4. The default gateway is 192.168.2.1. Close it. So this is the IP address and the default gateway of PC4. PC3, sorry. Click on PC4, desktop IP configuration, and we'll set the IP address as 192.168.1.5. The default gateway is 192.168.2.1. Close it. So this is the IP address and default gateway of PC4. Now click on PC5, desktop IP configuration, and the IP address is 192.168.1.6. The default gateway is same, 192.168.2.1. Close it. So this is the IP address and the default gateway of PC5. Now click on PC6 to set the IP address, then desktop IP configuration, and let's set the IP address as 192.168.1.7, and the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. Close it. So this is the IP address and default gateway of PC6. So now we have set all the IP address and default gateway for all the PCs. Now let's check the connections by sending the messages from one PC to another. So let's send a message from PC0 to PC1. It's successful. Then from PC3 to PC5, it's successful. Then from PC6 to PC2 successful. If you want, you can also say simulation. So let's send the message from PC6, PC5, or let's take PC2. You can simulation. So first of all, the message will get sent from PC6 to switch 6, then from switch 6 to switch 4, from switch 4 to switch 1, then from switch 1 to switch 0, then from switch 0 to switch 2, and then the last one, switch 2 to PC2. So this is how the message will be received to the another PC. Now the acknowledgement will get sent from PC2 to switch 2, then from switch 2 to switch 0.
So he has shown that how that is created by the switch and tree topology is created. And after that, creating a tree topology, how that message is going to be transferred successful. Okay. So you can see this video also, and you can write down your answer. Any doubt, any question, you can ask me. But do the task in just 10 minutes. We are again going to ask you about the progress. Yes, anybody having any doubt? Ayush, where you have reached? Bansi Ben, Darshan, Dhruvil, have you completed the
Yes,
task
sir.
one? Doing, do it fatafat. Okay, Darshan. Okay, good, good. What about the others? Tell me. Riddhi Ben, Nancy Ben, Mansi Ben, Jai, Hardik, Sanjay, Shyam, Surya Bali Thakur. Open your mic. Tell me where you have reached. Utsav Gohel, Surya Bali Thakur. Tell me where you have reached. Doing, do it fast. Okay, okay. Utsav Gohel, what is your status? Task one complete. Good one. Go with the task two. Yes, everyone. What is the progress? Ayush, Bansi, everybody write your progress in chat box where you have reached quickly. Task 3, good one, Darshan. Yes, everybody write down their status where you have reached quickly. Task 2 doing Bansi Ben, okay. Dhruvel, do it quickly. Jai, do it quickly. Task 3. And don't write just a 3 or 4 lines letter, okay. Write it in descriptive manner. डिटेल में सब लिखना, ऐसे ही नहीं कि 5 लाइन लिख के खत्म कर दिया आंसर. नो, I require the detailed answer of each and every question because it is required a very large description. You are taking so much time, so you require a large number of explanation for that. Okay, okay. Do it quickly, everyone. Suryapalli Thakur, Utsav Gohel. Yes, task 2 is doing. Okay, done. Yes, half an hour is remaining. What we can do? Someone will open their camera and mic and show me that how many tasks you have completed. Yes, Ayush Parekh. Am I audible to you? Ayush, can you start your camera and show me that how much tasks that you have completed? Okay, Ayush. After that, Dhruvil Zalavadia, you start your camera. Okay, you can start it now also and show me that how much tasks you have completed. Dhruvil, quickly.
Okay, 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 sir.
Riddhi Ben, Riddhi Mehta, can you please show your work that you have done it? Okay, show it. Okay. Okay, so if you want to share it in mobile, let me give you the number. Yes, this is my number. You send me the snapshot of that. Yes, those who have told me to share, they have not shared me. Will you please open your camera and share it with me? I have got the message from, yes, I have got the message from Riddhi Ben. Okay, it is okay. What about the others? Share your screen quickly and tell me where you have reached. Or you can message me, WhatsApp me on my number also right now. So, who is this number 74359 62432? Who is there? Shyam. Okay. Yes, Shyam, I got your response. You have completed up to task 3. Okay. What about others? Share your camera and tell me or share their details quickly.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. This is your task number 1. Okay. What about the task number 2, Darshan? Okay. You can write it. Okay. Okay. What about the next? Okay. Good one. Good one. Good one. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay. Other students, please share me the photo or the screen that you have written quickly. Okay, Darshan. Yes, Dhruvil, you have sent me, but write it in detail. You just written a 2 to 3 line, and word are also not that much of the information is not there in your answer. So Dhruvil, modified and updated. Okay, make it very kind of the detailing manner. આટલું શોર્ટમાં ના લખો, ડિટેલમાં લખો. 2 પેજ લખ્યા છે તમે હજી. Okay, I have got hub switch router. Okay, so this is a task number 3, Cisco packet router. And what about the explanation of that switch and router, Hardik? Yes, Hardik, you need to write a description of that different switch and router in task number 3. Okay, Hardik Chavda. ખાલી નામ નથી લખવાના, એનું ડિટેલ ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન પણ
Okay, sir.
લખવાનું છે, તો એ પણ લખજો. ઓકે, ઓકે, ગુડ. Yes,
Okay,
I have got the another response from who is this Odin 97378579881. I have got a response from that person.
સર હું છું
Okay, Sanjay, yes, task 2 complete કરેલું છે. 3 તમે લખો છો, switch router અને okay, hybrid topology you have written, types of topology you have reached to question number 3. Okay, so write it in detail also. What is different switch hub switch and router available in Cisco packet tracer and their working. Okay, Sanjay.
યસ સર સ્વિચ એન્ડ રાઉટર લખી નાખ્યું છે,
Okay,
ખાલી ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન બાકી છે.
okay, start karo, loko chalo. Good. It's a 10-minute which is remaining. What we can do, like uh, first of all, everybody write your enrollment number and also write along with that how which task you have reached, and after that you can leave. Okay, and wait for the next lecture if you have. Task 5 completed, Darshan. Okay. Yes, Hardik and Suryabali Thakur, have you written your enrollment number and response? Then you can leave, okay? You write your enrollment number and you can go and wait for the next lecture.